the fourth step on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And one thing is that I'll have the pictures on how to make the solving process easier on the screen when I explain something. And I also recommend for you guys to check out my other 3 videos on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube before you go to this one, because it will help you understand much better. So in the last video, we solved for this whole white side. So this whole white side is now solved. And then we solve for the first layers. So this first layer, we have like orange, and it's solved. Blue, red, and green. So that's what we have. And with this step, you want to keep the full white side, the white side solved on the bottom. And you want to have the the yellow center on top. And with this step, you're going to be using solving for the whole second layer. So this whole second layer will also be solved along with the first layer and will connect. So let's get into it. And here you have like these edge pieces over here, and you want to insert those in the respective corner. So here you have you have yellow on top, and you want to look for the edge, like the edge that circles around. You want to make sure that edge doesn't have any yellow on it. So for example, this edge has a yellow highlight on it, and that should not be there. So for example, we'll take this edge. It has blue and then red. So you'll hold the U layer or the top layer down, and then you'll move the bottom 2 layers until the blue highlight or the tip of the edge connects to the blue center to make this line formation. So that's what you want. And then you'll be focusing on the other color of the edge. So you'll be focusing on both colors actually. So here you have red and blue, and then you'll think about where to insert it. So when you take the red color, you'll look to the left side where the red side is, and then you'll take it to the right side, and orange is here. So since this top color, you'll be looking at this top color that's on the U layer here, that's facing upwards. We'll be taking that color, and then you'll be looking where it's going to be inserted. So here it's going to be inserted into this red area, because the top is red, so it'll go along the red side over here. And it will connect to this blue and red corner. And I'm just going to be calling the corner names or based off the color that the other 2 colors, not the white, because every corner has like a white on it, white highlight. So I'll be referring to the other 2 colors. So just to keep that sure. And so this is blue and red. So this is a blue and red edge, and you want to insert it here. So that it seems like you want to move the red and blue edge to the side where it's going to be inserted, but you'll move it away actually. So here you'll move the top layer away. In this case, it'll be to the right. You'll move the U layer away from the red side, and you know this based off the top color. And next what you'll do is you'll bring up you'll take out this blue and red edge. So you'll bring the layer up, the left layer up, or in this case it's the left layer, and you'll be bringing it bringing the left layer up like this, and you'll be taking this blue and red edge out, and then you'll be bringing it back down like this. And then the next thing you'll do is that now you have the blue and red corner out here, and then you have the blue and red edge over here, and you'll move this pair here. You'll move the blue and red, the blue and red corner to where it's gonna to above where it was gonna be inserted. So here, and now when I look at it, this blue and red edge is above the blue and red s- slot, and the slot is empty. If you see, it's not white. So and then you hold the cube like this, face the corner facing you on, and the edge is the opposite of the corner. It's over here. So now you'll be moving the it up the side to connect this, and you'll see this like pair over here, and that's how you know you've done it correctly. Then you'll bring it back, and then you'll connect the corner, and you'll see this white line over here, and you'll bring it back down. So that's how you're supposed to do that. And then as you see, we solve for this one side over here. It's like a pair, and yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. And here, like when you look at the top layer, here we have like uh, we have orange and green. So you'll hold the top layer, move the bottom two layers, so it connects to make this line formation. Then you look at the top color, the color facing upward, and it's just orange. So here to the left side we have orange, right side we have red. So you'll move it away to the right side, and then you'll move the corner up. You'll take the corner up, and then you'll move it out of the way, and you'll bring it back down. And then now, if you see, you have this corner out and this edge out right here. And then you'll move it up above where it's going to be inserted. So here, green and this is green and orange. So I move it above where it's going to be inserted. Then you'll insert it simply like this. You will move the layer and insert it. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. And here you have this orange and blue, and now it's already connected to make this line. So you'll look at the top color, which is blue, and to the left side we have blue, and the right side we have green. So you'll move it to the right side. You'll move it away from the color it's actually supposed to be, so it's blue. So you move it to the green side, the edge, and then you'll bring it up. You'll bring that other corner up, that left side. So you move the edge to the right side. So you know that you'll bring the left layer up, which is where the corner is, and then you'll do a move to the top layer to move it away. And sometimes you could move it like this, and then when you like you could sometimes in some cases you could move it like this, and then it'll already pair like this. And then what you'll do is now you have it facing you, and then you'll move it to the side, and then of where it's going to be inserted. So here it's going to be inserted, and then you'll bring the it up, and then you'll bring it back down. Okay, then we have the last one here. It's over here. So then you'll move it to where it's supposed to be. Look at the top color, it's red. So, and then to the left side we have orange, and the right side we have red. So you'll move it to the left side because you'll move it away from where it's the red because the top is red. So you want to move it to the orange, and then you'll move the right side because you just moved to the you'll just move to the left side where the corner. So you'll move it to the left side now, the right side I mean, and then you'll move it away, bring it back down and now you'll see you have to insert it. So you'll bring it facing you above where it's going to be inserted, and then you will bring it up to make the pair, and you'll push it back to where it's going to be inserted, and you'll see the white line. So yeah, here we go. We solved the full second layer here. So yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. I hope you understand well.